Good afternoon, Alan McIlroy from Berthon here, and today I'm going to show you over this rather nice Beneteau 47.7 from 2003. This is Lady ALISON, and as you can tell by those rather ominous skies in Lymington, I'm going to try and keep the deck work fairly quick. So the boat is currently ashore with us here at our offices in Lymington. And actually this particular yacht benefits from being owned by a professional skipper. Actually, it's his own boat. It's fair to say that that's reflected in the overall condition and maintenance of the yacht, as you can tell by the lovely freshly cleaned decks there. But let's have a wander around the decks and have a look over. Large wheel aft and two plotters in the cockpit there. There's two 7-inch plotters and then there's a further 12-inch plotter down below, so she's very well equipped on the electronic side of things. The rod rigging there that we're just passing, that's actually 2019, so that's all nice and fresh as well. Harken deck gear with a nice Harken furler up on the bow there as well. Good looking boat actually, and a really nice blend between sort of performance cruising. And on that note actually, she is equipped, the ideal boat for longer distance cruising, being equipped with watermaker, generator and air conditioning. Lots of cockpit stowage. You've got two large lazarettes, both port and starboard there, and then of course additional lockers in the cockpit itself. Control line winches there, the port one of which is actually an electric winch as well, so you're covered off for things like halyards and so on, which is ideal. Now stepping below. Really nice spacious yacht, really good headroom. It's over 2 meters in most places. Nice bright airy saloon. A really large well-stocked galley, L-shaped galley to starboard there with plenty of refrigeration and a nice fresh cooker. Good sized forward-facing chart table. There's battery monitoring system, there's a recent VHF, 12-inch plotter, and so on. You can see the condition of the cabinetry below decks is, as you can see, very good throughout. Glimpse of the watermaker controls there and the generator controls. Aircon, all of which is fully serviced and up to date, as is the boat safety equipment. All of that's in date currently as well. So just stepping forward, she has an offset double. Large berth on starboard, nice settee and hanging stowage to port. And then a central line heads up on the bow. You can tell there with the condition of even things just like the faucets and so on, there's no verdigris, everything is lovely, bright and in good order. And so there we have the large offset double. Settee and just some additional hanging storage there behind the door. And moving aft again. All opening hatches fitted with blinds. So starboard, again, large double and a good sized airy cabin as well. And what you will notice here is the abundance of stowage in these cabins, both port and starboard. And battery isolators. Boats fitted with fans throughout as well. And because we have the day head on port side as well here. Nice clean moulded heads compartment with wooden trim. You can see there all the chrome work gleaming. Just a quick peek into the engine bay. The yacht's fitted with an 85 horse Yanmar, which again is, all the servicing is up to date on that. So it's well worth having a read through our comprehensive specs online, because there's more detail there than I can hope to cover in this walkthrough today. But the yacht is ashore and available for viewing here at our offices 7 days. Any further queries or you'd like some further information, please feel free to get in touch. Thank you.